Hello and welcome to another MCO update on Ethereum. We are currently here on the shorter time frame for Ethereum, and we can identify currently that the market is in the process of a correction, I would say. Obviously, like Bitcoin, also not yet clearly breaking below any support levels. Therefore, keeping it flexible for now. Okay, so keeping it flexible for now. The idea is that a three-wave rally potentially completed from the April low here, around where the price bottomed around the 8th of April. So we have this ABC structure to the upside. That's the white scenario, white-colored scenario. A wave, B wave, C wave, yeah, in three waves to the upside, and then the B wave pullback is again an ABC structure. That would be the expectation, that we get a deeper B wave pullback from this region. Okay, I cannot rule out another high because even in this white scenario, the B wave might overshoot. Yeah, that's just what they do. But so far, it's been following the overall idea here nicely over the last few days. We talked specifically here when we look at the microstructures. We talked about the potential that this was an A wave down. We identified 5 waves down together. Then I gave you resistance for the B wave, which was respected. It's now removed from the chart. And the price started a C wave decline. And then I think yesterday we were around, I don't know when I made the video somewhere. I don't know, we were looking for one more low anyway. And the one more low happened, but it's just a marginally lower low. So it does look like 5 waves down, sort of. That means the C wave could be done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, it's a short C wave. It didn't even reach the 100% Fibonacci extension, which is located here around $2,384. So it's not quite clear yet. Okay, it's not quite clear yet if we've really bottomed there in this A wave. Next move up would be a B wave, and then a C wave decline could come afterwards. So I'm not quite sure if this A wave has bottomed. Actually, I would prefer one more low just because this could be an extended 4 and we haven't reached 100% extension. But then again, there is no must for an A wave to reach the 100% extension. There's no must. Got a feeling it might push a little higher, so it might already be in the B wave. Okay, but you know, don't trade my feelings. I mean, this is just all correction. Even with a higher B wave, it's just all corrections. Really, what matters is most of this initial decline should be done. As per the analysis here, a B wave bounce is due either now or after one more low. And I'm going to watch this resistance area, which is between $2,589 and $2,703. So this would be the resistance area to watch. There is not only Fibonacci resistance. So we've got 4 levels here. Yes, 2,589, 2,623, 2,673 and $2,703 as Fibonacci resistance, but also there is structural resistance, probably here where these swing highs formed on Friday and then on Wednesday, pretty much exactly at around $2,647, both at the same level. And overall, this here is an A wave down, B wave up, and then we'll see if it forms a larger C wave. For now, I mean, I'm even, for Bitcoin, I'm even tracking a potential triangle. Not so applicable here, but still possible, for example, in our directly bullish count, which is the yellow scenario. So obviously, I mean, I mentioned it, when we get a decisive break above resistance, then it might even be that we get here one more upside extension in 5 waves. That's possible. Then we have a 5-wave move. Would it change anything? No, it would just mean that the A wave is not a 3-wave move, but it's actually a 5-wave move. So that's just something I'm tracking in parallel. Overall, bottom line is most of that initial rally from the April low should be done. It would look best with a pullback, and I think we need to monitor the micro price action closely over the coming days to see which of these potentials is unfolding. For now, this is all corrective price action, nothing impulsive. Next support around $2,410 and then $2,272. That's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.